Say hi, Mom and Dad. Hey. Oh, wait a minute. We're missing one. Where the hell's the other one?
There's one right here.
Oh.
Stuck on the carpet. Oh, she got herself out.
She's over there playing with the ferret. Okay. Oh, boy. Say hello, Mom and Dad. Say hello. Meow. I'm getting all vocal and whatnot. Oh. See? I can't really see him in there. I wish they'd come back out here on the floor. Oh, there's Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Here's our little pork chop. This is Mike's kitty. Say hello. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. Say meow. He's like, whatever, lady. Let's see here. Who is this? This is my female, I do believe. Looks like it. Yep, this is the one that nobody has claimed yet. Say hello. That's all right, though, right? This is the this is the male. This is Casey's. Say hi, Mommy. And this is the tuxedo. This is Melissa's kitty. Say hi, Mommy, Melissa. So you wanted to know what I am, and I am definitely a boy. Oh my goodness. Melissa, if that's not a boy, I don't know what is. And let's see, we need to go out here for Audra's kitty. Come here, baby kitty. Say hi, Mommy, Audra. Say I a boy too. Say yes, I am. Oh my goodness. Oh, come here. Come here. Vocal. Yes, I know. See, we just want our Mommy. Where's Mommy? Did Mommy come in here and hide? Where's Mama? That's not Mama. That's not Mama either. I think Mommy took a vacation. Oof. There's Mommy. Mommy! Here she is. Millie, be nice. Be a nice girl. Mommy's over that way, goofball. You gotta go that way. Go that way. Go get Mommy. Millie. Millie. Come on, Billy. Be nice. It's a good thing she don't have claws, huh, little one? Yeah. Be nice, Lily. They're just babies. Oh, I know, Lily. I'm messing up your whole world here. Go over there, little one. Go by Mommy. I don't know, Mike. Can you see him? You can't really see him. The lighting in my apartment is just not good enough for this, but your cat, this little pork chop right here, he is the most adventurous one out of all of them. Now he's just copping a squat. Oh, there he goes. You know what's funny, though? Is watching him get up and run. He waddles his butt something fierce when he runs. It's so cute. Mm-hmm. Say hi, Mommy. Mommy's just like, I hear them all screaming for me. Let's go see what they're doing. Let's go see what they're doing, little one. You gonna follow me? There they are. Are you guys playing with a pillow? Are you guys playing with a pillow? Oh, look at them. There they come. Yep. Come on. Let's go get Mommy. Come on. As Mommy walks that way. Come on. Come on. Well, I got Melissa's following me. Where's that other little pork chop? Melissa. There he is. See, yours waddles too, Melissa. He's so cute when he waddles. They're cute when they're that little. Come on. Where'd you go? Run away, kid. Oh, there they are. They're both together. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, look, Mommy's even here for you. Come on. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on. Oh, over there. Tapping the feet. What are you guys doing in here? Well, guys, I think it's safe to say they're definitely getting adventurous. And very vocal. Always got good.